We have learnt the sine and cosine rules for triangles, and we know that these rules apply to any triangle. Let's go over them. The sine rule states that the length of any side of a triangle is proportionate to the sine value of the angle opposite. That is, in a triangle ABC, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. The cosine rule states that in a triangle, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A, or cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B, or cos B equals A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C, or cos C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Now let's look at some problems based on the sine and cosine rules in a triangle. In triangle ABC, if BC is equal to 2 units, CA is equal to 3 units, and sine A is equal to 2 over 3, find the measure of angle B. The key to solve this question is to use the sine rule in a triangle and substitute the given values and simplify. It is given that BC is equal to 2 units, CA is equal to 3 units, and sine A is equal to 2 over 3. Apply the sine rule and substitute the given values. On simplification, we get the value of sine B as 1. And it implies that angle B is equal to 90 degrees. In a triangle ABC, if the angles are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3, prove that the corresponding sides are in the ratio 1 to root 3 to 2. The key to solve this question is to first find the angles using the given ratio and then use the sine rule in a triangle. Using the sine rule, we can write the ratios A to B and B to C as shown. From equations 1 and 2, we can express the ratio A to B to C is equal to the ratio sine A to sine B to sine C. Let's call this equation 3. Given that A to B to C is equal to 1 to 2 to 3, and we know that the sum of the three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Let the angle A equal K. Since we know that angles A, B and C are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3, angle B equals 2K and angle C equals 3K. Next, using the fact that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, we obtain the value of K as 30 degrees. Hence, we obtain the values of angle A, B and C too as shown. On substituting the values of the angles A, B and C in equation 3 and simplifying, we get the required ratio. In triangle ABC, if AB is equal to 30 units, BC is equal to 18 units and AC is equal to 24 units, Find the values of cos A, cos B and cos C. The key to solve this question is to use the cosine rule in a triangle and simplify to obtain the values of cos A, cos B and cos C. We are given that the lengths of the sides AB, BC and AC as 30, 18 and 24 units respectively. Apply the cosine rule for cos A and substitute the corresponding values. Thus, on simplification, we get the value of cos A as 4/5. Next, apply the cosine rule for cos B and substitute the corresponding values. Thus, on simplification, we get the value of cos B as 3/5. Similarly, apply the cosine rule for cos C and substitute the corresponding values. Thus, on simplification, we get the value of cos C as 0.